Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this delicious chicken stew, and if you want to know how I prepared it, stay tuned to the end of this video. So guys, to begin, here are my tomato paste and fresh tinned tomatoes. Yeah, you can also use the fresh one, but this is the type we have. Next, I have here with me 2 large onions. Actually, I ended up using 3 onions. Yes guys, and I have ginger, garlic and curry powder with fresh pepper. And the next one is my red long paprikas. Yes, I'm using 2 large paprikas. Yes guys, the long one. So that is it guys. And the next is my Maggi seasoning cubes and salt. I'm using chicken browned and cow browned. Yes, and the next is my thyme, and the other one is my olive oil. Guys, you can also use any cooking oil of your choice. And for the spice, I'm using chicken seasoning. Yeah, it's called aroma. You can also use any seasonings of your choice. And last, this is my chicken. I'm going to start by seasoning it. First, I will add my thyme. Then, just at this moment, you will just add any seasoning you want to use for the chicken. As you can see, I added some bay leaves, which I didn't show in the beginning of the video, but it's optional. You can as well skip it. Then slice 1 large onions inside. Add my Maggi seasoning cubes. Yes. Then I will add my aroma seasoning inside. Then a little bit of salt. And stir everything together. I will just give it a good stir and cover it to cook. Yes guys, as you can see, I didn't add in any water. I will let the water from the chicken to come out. In that way, the chicken will suck all the whole seasonings. Yeah, so keep watching guys. Next is to blend the ginger, garlic and the pepper with my tomatoes. I will just blend everything together. So as you can see right now, I'm just washing all the peppers and the ginger, garlic, what have you. So that is it guys. Right now I will go ahead and add my fresh tinned tomatoes. Yes guys, it's also the same with fresh tomatoes. The difference is that this one is softer and is inside tin. Yeah, so they store this one inside a tin. So the next step is to go ahead and blend it in my blender. Yes guys. So right now I'm done blending the tomatoes. We are going to check our chicken. As you can see, the chicken is already boiling. Yes guys, so I will give it a good stir right now. So guys, after giving the chicken a good stir, I will leave it to boil like 10 minutes more. Then I will go ahead and step it aside. Yes guys, it's up to 10 minutes now. So the next step is to boil my blended tomatoes. Yes guys, so as you can see, I just added pot on the fire, and right now I just pour in the fresh tomatoes and pepper inside. Then the next step is to go ahead and start frying the chicken. So right now guys, the tomato is ready. I wouldn't want it to get burnt, so this is the way I want it. And the next is to add my pot on the fire and let it heat up a bit. So right now I'm going to go ahead and add the amount of cooking oil I need. Actually guys, this pot is the pot I use to cook the chicken, so I didn't want to wash it because I'm going to use it for the stew, so there is no need of washing it. So the next is to add in a little bit of thyme, then give it a good stir, add my fresh chopped onions, and leave it to fry for 1 minute. And after then I will just add a little bit of Maggi seasoning just to season the oil. The next is to add my tomato paste. You can also call it tin tomato, that's what we used to call it in Africa. Yes guys, so keep watching. So after I'm done adding the tomato paste, I will just go ahead and give it a good stir. And after then I will leave it to fry for like 3 to 5 minutes. Yes guys. At this moment I'm going to add my curry powder, the amount of curry powder that I need. Yes, and give it a good stir. And guys, don't forget, you must make sure you keep stirring it so that the down doesn't get burnt. Yes guys. And the next step now is to add my fresh blended tomatoes. Yes, and leave it to fry for like 5 minutes. Yes. So right now guys, it's 5 minutes and my tomato is already well fried. The next step is to add my water, the water from the chicken. Yes, I'm going to add it inside right now and give it a good stir. At this moment you just have to add in the water, the quantity of water you need for the stew. If you want it watery, so be it. If you want it thicker, you can make it thicker as you want. So right now I'm done frying my chicken, and here is the chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and add it inside and leave it to cook. So guys, after adding the chicken inside the stew, I'm going to give it a good stir. Then I will go ahead and test for the seasoning and check if Maggi and salt is enough for the stew. Then if it's not enough, I'm going to add in to the taste I want. And right now guys, I think I need to add some Maggi seasoning inside. Yes guys. Next is to give it a good stir and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. Then our stew is ready. Our chicken stew is ready. But before then, I'm going to go ahead and test it again to see if the seasoning is okay. So I'm satisfied with the seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and cover it.
A few moments later.
So right now guys, it's 10 minutes cooking the stew. As you can see, the stew is boiling and is ready. Oh my goodness, the stew tastes delicious. Thank you for watching. I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye.